Add 1 cup tuvar dal. Now add 3 cups of water. Add rock salt as per your taste. Add half tablespoon of turmeric. Red chili powder half tablespoon. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Now allow it to cook for 5 whistles. Meanwhile, we are preparing dokli. Take 2 cups of wheat flour. Rock salt as per taste. Ajwain 1 tablespoon. Turmeric 1/4 tablespoon. Red chili powder half tablespoon. Oil 3/4 tablespoon. Knead a soft dough and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 5 whistles, open the lid and whisk the dal properly. Tamarind pulp mix with water. Peanut 2 tablespoon. Jaggery 1 cup. Add 3 cups of water. Heat oil in pan and add cumin 1 tablespoon. 1 whole red chili. 5 curry leaves. Asafoetida. Now add tempering into dal. Now preparing dokli and cut the dokli into diamond shapes. Add all doklis into dal. Now wait for at least 1 whistle. Open the lid and serve hot with your family and friends. Do like, comment, share and subscribe us.